I would like to demonstrate a short video on how to create your account for COVID-19 registration. First step is to open your preferred browser. That could be Chrome or Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or whichever browser you prefer. The next is to go to the website, portal.health.go.ke, as indicated on your screen currently. It would give you two main options. It shows you the services that you can access on the portal. You can register for vaccination, you can view your vaccination schedule, and you can download your certificate. The purpose of this video is just to show you how to create your account before the vaccination process. So you click on the Create Account tab, you indicate whether or not you've been vaccinated. Then from here, it will bring you to this page where now you create your account. Following this page, there'll be a secondary page where you now input your biodata before you can get vaccinated. So first is just to fill this page. As you can see, most of the details are mandatory based on this red asterisk. This is the same ID that you'll be using for your vaccination details in terms of you getting the certificate. For me, I'll use my passport. Put my passport number there. You enter your email address in full. This one is helpful in case you forget your password. It can be sent to your email address. Country code, if you are Kenyan, this is just the code for your country of residence. Then create or put in a password, preferably a password that is easy for you to remember. Then you sign up. So once you sign up, it brings you to this second dashboard where you're supposed to input your biodata. So here you put all your details, including you start with your name. Pay close attention to all the fields that have a red asterisk or a red star, because those are mandatory fields. You have to put in the data for the system to allow you to proceed with the application. So you include everything from your name, your gender, date of birth, your country of origin. Your ID type should be similar to the one you used upon signing up. Under occupation, it has a limited scope in terms of the selected occupations. If you do not fall within any of these categories, you can include other and then specify your current occupation. After this, you select your religion, put in your email address, your phone code, which is the country code, and your phone number. Your phone number is critical because this is where your details will be sent. You'll get a confirmatory text message, and through this, once you log into the system, you'll be able to download your certificate. After this, you just include the details of your next of kin, including their name and their phone number and your relationship with the next of kin. Your county of residence. After this, from the county, you'll then be able to get the sub-county of residence and your ward. After confirming your details, then you submit the details and you'll be done with the registration. It will have a confirmation page after this, which I'll show you.